The people of Rivers State don't continue to dey chook mouth for the high price of fuel as them don't remove fuel subsidy. Some of the people talk say them not happy about the matter and come call our government to touchlight the matter, while some come talk say na better thing President Bola Tinubu do as he decide to remove the fuel subsidy. One Port Harcourt transporter come talk say he no fit work sake of say some passengers no agree to the new price for transport and he no fit make gain sake of the new price of fuel wey dey sell between 530 naira and 600 naira per litre for Port Harcourt since they remove fuel subsidy.
The way they increase the fuel, the thing just they suffer people because it make us, we cannot even feel comfortable on it. To carry passenger hardly for me because I be a transporter. To carry passenger, if you tell them the price, you tell them the way they happen, them not going to agree with you. And the thing can make, for us, they drive empty. If you see them now, you will see how road there empty without any passengers.
They are selling a liter of fuel. Some people are selling 600. I bought 530 here now. And 1 liter is not even 1 liter. Look at the suffering we are suffering. The passengers cannot, if you bought 10 liter of fuel, it cannot take me to Choba and come back. It's about 5,000 or 6,000 something. So we are suffering and passenger cannot afford it. If they can give us a breathing space before removing the subsidy, before removing it, our refinery is supposed to be working.
This very rubber now, before I can buy fuel that feed this thing with 900 naira. But now, I bought 2,300 naira and the rubber is not even filled. I'm feeling very sad because even there is no light. In my shop, I run generator. Imagine how much I will spend in a day.
The chairman of Trader Union Congress for Rivers State, Ikechukwu Oyefuru, Chinedu Okorokwa will be national chairman for IPMAM, and Christian Sekibo, former chairman, Dow 3 Cluster Development Board, come chook mouth on top this matter. Them talk say,
the just show say they no get human face. You cannot come on a day where Nigerians don't believe, say, we they get new government. Everybody get hope, say things go better. Because the suffering we suffer for the last 8 years, no be here. We don't die finish for 8 years. And then the day where we all believe, say, things go good, you now come, say, fia, you don't come out, remove fuel subsidy. How did it happen? For something where you don't even get power to remove it on your own, because this subsidy don't dey here, And law talk say, if something don't happen, come become practice, before you go remove them, you go call the people where all of you, they do and tell them, say, I want to do this, and then when I go agree. It be like where landlord can't get tenants. Landlord go wake up one morning, tell tenant say, hey, come out, you go pack come out from my house. They happen like that. Landlord go serve tenant waiting they call ejection notice. Then they go agree. Then tenant go plan on where and go pack go. Waiting government don't do be say they don't give us ejection notice, no alternative, nowhere we'll go pack go. We no support them. We know say corruption they inside fuel subsidy. But what is the talk be say, make government show us say yes, they have the interest of Nigeria. May they provide affordable transport where Nigerians go fit, enter motor, go where they want go without suffering. Make they provide job. Our youth they suffer, work no day anywhere.
Subsidy they remove, me I don't get problem with subsidy removal, and I mean Nigeria also don't get problem with subsidy removal because this subsidy don't take. If you even go by the campaign of all the presidential candidates of all the parties, all of them talk say they go remove subsidy. That means they don't understand say the subsidy. People will say na scam before self. Like Buhari they come, they pay subsidy till before subsidy na millions, before you enter billions, now you don't enter trillion. If we not stop and now, we don't know whether how it will be. So the subsidy Bola Tinubu can remove. For me, and they in support of the subsidy remove because it don't do overdue. So if they remove this subsidy, they either go settle security matter, either go settle infrastructure matter, then the country come better. The two way the hardship wey dey na for just now. If they carry the money the subsidy collect from us, go put inside the refinery between maybe say from now to December or next year. Port Harcourt refinery begin work, Warri begin work, Kaduna begin work. Fuel will come down again to maybe 100 and something naira or 200 naira. The suffering don't end. So it better some people sacrifice for once, then enjoy tomorrow than we allow just some people. Different story now. They have subsidy, they have 5 people, they chop on this one and this one. So it don't do.
Government, if you look what in they talk, 96% of the money where then they get, then they use and service debt. and this subsidy thing. If they don't do anything quickly, it go there worse. That's what they tell us. And we must believe them because check our dollar now. If you travel abroad, see what's in dollar and naira. It's like nothing. We are not doing anything here. Everything is standstill. Then they said the thing will help them quickly. Now to remove this thing where they chop money too much, where be subsidy, where then they pay. You know, when something come up like this, confusion they dey. Now that confusion where we dey now. But if we fit waste more, may government bring waiting they plan for mind, waiting they don't tell us. I don't think say this thing go last because see for this Niger death everywhere, then they flare this gas. It's polluting the environment. But we can use this gas that is being flared to create wealth where in your house you will use the gas to cook, you will use it to drive your car, in your generator, even keke napep will use it. And that is why we, for Ipman, we don't tell government that this system will fit help this country.
From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojeseli, TMCTV News.